Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Muslika from Universitas Negeri Semarang, Indonesia. Today, I would like to present our study entitled Web-based Cyber Peer Counseling Model for Enhancing Students' Character Strengths, a prototyping approach. This study focuses on combining digital technology peer counseling and strength-based approach to support university students, psychosocial well-being, and character development. Okay, let me begin with the background. There are four main reasons why this study is important. First, COVID-19 accelerated the use of digital mental health services. Second, university students are experiencing increasing psychosocial problems. Third, students often prefer seeking help from their peers. However, existing online counseling services still have limited structure platform that integrate peer counseling and a strength-based approach. Therefore, we identified a need from a web-based cyber peer counseling system. The key idea is simple. Digital technology can make a peer counseling more accessible and structured. Based on this background, we identified a research gap. Previous studies have mainly focused on the effectiveness of online counseling. However, relatively few studies have developed a structured web-based peer counseling prototype, especially one based on a strength-based principle and designed for university students. Therefore, our objective was to design and develop a web-based cyber peer counseling model to support students' character strength and psychosocial well-being. For the research method, we use design and develop research with iterative prototyping and user-centered approach. The process consists of literature review, need analysis, prototype design, user-centered development, usability evaluation, and prototype refinement. So the prototype was developed through a iterative process. In simple term, we developed the prototype, evaluated it, and then refined it based on user feedback. This our conceptual framework. The process begins with the student's psychosocial problem and the need for accessible digital mental health services. We then propose web-based cyber peer counseling by integrating three elements: strength-based principle, peer support, and digital platform. The counseling process includes assessment, matching, counseling, and evaluation. Throughout this process, the students receive social support, which is expected to contribute the improved character strengths and psychosocial well-being. No, let me briefly show the main feature of our prototype. First, a student can register online for counseling services. And second, they complete a digital assessment to identify their main concern. Third, the system provide informed consent before counseling begin. And fourth, students can select a peer counselor. The platform as integrate several web components, including professional counseling, peer counseling, referral services, evaluation, and counseling records. These features are designed to make the counseling process more accessible, structured, and use-centered. So rather than having separate digital tools, we try to connect the important components into one counseling service system. Okay. This slide summarizes the complete counseling process. It starts with assessment, then the students choose a peer counselor and schedule a session. After that, the student receive online counseling. The student then completes an evaluation. Finally, if the students' need are beyond the capacity of peer counseling, a referral to professional counseling can be provided. So the process can be summarized as assessment, selection, scheduling, counseling, evaluation, and referral. And now let me move to the key finding. The prototype was found to be feasible, usable, and acceptable for delivering web-based peer counseling services. It integrates essential counseling feature, including assessment, peer counselor matching, counseling session, and evaluation. Overall, the prototype provides a structure and youth-centered approach to digital mental health services in higher education. The findings suggest that the prototype is promising as a digital platform for peer counseling. What is the novelty of this study? Previous studies have discussed online counseling and peer support. Our study brings these are areas together through a web-based peer counseling prototype with a strength-based approach. We also move beyond theoretical discussion toward a functional model for practical implementation, and therefore our main contribution is to bridge digital innovation with strength-based peer counseling. Our main contribution is to bridge digital innovation with strength-based peer counseling. This model also have several practical implications for universities. It can expand access to peer counseling services. For counseling center, it can support a more standardized digital counseling workflow. For counselor education, it can support the development of competencies for cyber peer counselor. And for students, it can provide easier access to peer support while promoting character strengths and psychosocial well-being. However, this study has some limitation. First, the study is still a prototype stage. Second, the usability evaluation is still initial. Third, we have not yet conducted experimental testing of effectiveness. Therefore, future research should include randomized control trial, multi-campus implementation, longitudinal evaluation, and potential AI integration. At this stage, we are not claiming proven effectiveness. The prototype is promising, but future empirical testing is needed. Finally, let me conclude the study develop a web-based cyber peer counseling model that integrates digital technology, peer support, and strength-based principle. The prototype provides a structured process from assessment to counseling, evaluation, and referral. It offers a promising framework to improve access to counseling services while supporting university students' psychosocial well-being and character development. In short, technology provides the platform, peers provide connection, and the strength-based approach provides the direction from positive development. Thank you very much for your attention. I would be very happy to receive your question, comment, and suggestion. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.